All right. Blizzard of 2021. Yeah. About to go see what's happening out here. Yeah. Look at this shit. Whew. All right. Here we go. Gotta walk to the store because my battery died. Yeah, I can't. So here I'm out for a walk. All right. Yeah. So what's up, people? Blizzard of 2021. Yeah, I'm going for a walk. Yeah. Yeah. We'll come back at you in a minute here when we get out on the main street. Yeah. All right, so we're done with the alley, and now we're out on the main road. Got plows driving around. Yeah. All right. Here we go. One of my neighbors trying to clear his shit up so he can get out. Visibility about a quarter mile, if that. Whoa. Yeah, this is crazy. I don't know what I'm doing out here walking around. Whew. Okay. I guess it came, huh? Huh?
Shit, it could be better.
Yeah, man. My car wouldn't start. I'm not gonna mess with that until Monday.
Yeah, I hear that.
Yeah. Have fun.
We gotta get this out of the way because Frank is parking point. I want to get in here. We don't have to get stuck.
Yeah, right. I'm pretty much stuck. I'm that guy who comes by and waves at you all the time. Yeah, my name's Gary.
I'm Frank.
All right, Frank. Yeah.
Have a good one.
I'm gonna try to walk up to 7-Eleven without getting killed.
Oh, yeah.
All right, take it easy. Comes by, waving at you. Okay, so I guess you see what it's like out here. You can't even see a block. I said a quarter mile. Shit, that must be an eighth of a mile then. So anyway, I'm gonna keep on trudging up here to the store. Got about 5 blocks. I'll get back to y'all. Yeah, this is my friend's crib. I guess they got their ski-doos out ready to go. Yeah, man, check it out. Yeah, man, they got some nice little ski-doos there. Yeah, still trying to head back to the crib here. Yeah. Yeah, I guess they actually drove them. There's some tracks. They must have drove them this morning. Yeah. Whoa. So they just hit my phone up with a blizzard alert. Duh. But alright. Seen one snowstorm, you seen them all.